Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the MySQL database and PhpMyAdmin on the Linux Apache server. If you don't know how to install the Apache and PHP server, please watch my previous videos. Alright, first we have to open a terminal, and first we're gonna install the MySQL server. Sudo apt-get install MySQL dash server. We answer with yes. Why? Okay, now we need to set a password for the MySQL with the root user, and we press tab, enter. We have to rewrite the password again. Tab, okay. Keep installing. Okay, then clear the screen. Now is the time to install the PhpMyAdmin. Is sudo apt-get install. Here we have to install 3 packages. First we start with the PhpMyAdmin, and second we need a SQL database, PhpMySQL for PHP 5, and at the end we need a module we call lib Apache 2 module mod. Okay, mod, and auth dash MySQL. Yeah, press enter. We answer with Y, yes. Okay, we have to choose the Apache 2. We press spacebar and tap and enter. Okay, we answer with a configure database for PhpMyAdmin with a deep database config common. Okay, enter. Okay, we have to have an administrative password, and we can use the same password or another password, and press tab, enter. Okay. Now we have to test the PhpMyAdmin. You guys remember we already installed Apache 2, and we need to localhost and then PhpMyAdmin. Here you go, guys. We installed the PhpMyAdmin successfully. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon in next video.